Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous, very original 1936 Ford. And I got the owner here. Is going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing
Hey,
today?
Mike, yeah, 1936, yeah, 3-window. It's a Model 68.
Very rare.
Deluxe. All original sheet metal. No patches, no filler, no Bondo. Original steel floors.
Wow.
Just the sheet metal is absolutely amazing. I purchased it a few years back from an owner of over 5 decades.
Wow.
And he had it in a temperature controlled environment its whole life. Again, 100% original drivetrain as well. Runs and drives and stops flawlessly. It is still mechanical brakes as well as 6-volt positive ground.
Wow, I love that.
Yep. You don't find them. Number one, finding a 3-window is hard enough, but to find an original one is
It's next to impossible. They're all chopped up,
Yep.
rusted to death.
There wasn't many of this model made actually in deluxe.
Gorgeous color combo too.
Washington blue. It's got crazy options, not only a deluxe, has a heater, a radio, and the super rare review clock,
Wow.
as well as a dealer added vacuum operated fan for the driver, which actually works.
Stunning. Very special car. Paint is gorgeous.
Can I open that rumble seat for you, Mike?
Yeah, please do.
Might be a little dirty. I haven't cleaned it in a while.
Man, so iconic, right?
Yep.
Wow, what a stunning car. You know, pictures don't do this car justice.
You bet.
This is the clock he's talking about. I've
Yep.
never seen one
Super
of those.
rare. Super
Never
rare.
seen one in person.
Super rare.
Gorgeous. I love the originality of this car.
Yeah. Original bumpers, original windshield frame. All the glass goes up and down as it should. Original glass as well.
Fantastic. I mean, look at the metal around the seat. Jeez.
Mike, down here is where they usually rust, and that's all original sheet metal. The
Beautiful.
floors are amazing in this car. The original steel floors. Just unbelievable.
It really is.
Second to none.
She is fantastic. Pop the hood.
It's all original as well. Original radiator.
Wow. Man, you don't see him like this. Fantastic. You fire it up?
Sure. Even the lock works. It's even the steering wheel lock works, which is incredible.
Wow.
Vacuum fan, Mike.
I've never seen one of those.
It's incredible.
So cool.
Vacuum
And
fan.
it still works.
This is
That's
incredible.
a dealer option?
It was
Or
a dealer.
factory?
It wasn't a factory. It was a
Accessory.
accessory. Dealer
Yeah.
added. That was.
Wow.
But it's just incredible.
Yeah, like a sewing machine, right?
Came off the bat, man. Believe me when I tell you.
Even has the correct exhaust tip.
Yep, you bet.
So cool. Fantastic. The doors open so beautiful too. Is that original miles on here?
Yes.
Wow.
Yep. Yes, it is. 54,000 and change.
Man,
Yep.
look how clear the instruments are. Fantastic.
This is an unrestored car with a repaint.
Hmm.
If you look underneath, Mike, I don't know if you want to get under there.
Yeah, sure.
It's original. The sheet metal is second to none. Period.
Great accessories too.
Yep.
Oh my God.
Original, unrestored. No rust ever.
You see them restored, you don't see them original.
No,
Can we buzz it around the block?
come on.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, let me put that down. I'm gonna go.
Yeah, look how the door's shut. Beautiful. Man, so iconic.
Yeah.
I just feel special in it.
It's like silk.
It really is.
I'm telling
Hands
you.
off the wheel.
Windshield still cranks out.
Sick. Very cool, man.
Rear window goes down. Everything works in the car.
You don't get that smell either in a restored car, you know?
Yeah, no.
It's just unreal.
The mechanical brakes work beautiful.
I love this area. It's my
Yeah.
favorite.
Yeah, it's a cool place. I would drive this car anywhere, Mike. It runs that good.
Believe it. It's beautiful. I've never seen anything like it.
Yeah.
I've been to every Hershey. I've been to every
Yeah, yeah.
Carlisle.
This is super rare, this car. I think they only made like 20,000 of this.
Mm-hmm.
Model 68, deluxe 3-window. They made many more of the 5-window.
Seen lots of 5 windows.
Yeah, but how many are left? Like you said, they're all rusted, cut up, raced, chopped,
Hot rodded
hot rodded, etc.
and restored.
And restored, right? Not many of the restored ones left either.
Yeah, honestly. And not a squeak. peek out of it.
Yeah, no, it runs beautiful. On the highway, it's like silk. It truly is.
Wow.
It runs beautiful.
Such an iconic piece of Americana, you know?
You bet.
Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to hit me up at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks again for joining us.